A cottage garden of lilacs, roses, and jasmine leads to a seaglass green front door. Inside is a lovely Lazio floorplan with/a soothing coastal gray palette accented by Thibaut draperies. Crown molding adorns many rooms and ceilings are very high with/trays in the great room, entry and primary bedroom. Front windows are impact resistant. Other windows have easy accordion shutters. Both secondary baths are ensuite west/granite counters and marble listello detail. A large den has pocket doors for privacy. Levelor window shades offer privacy and a lovely translucence. A Quoizel ribbon chandelier adds sculptural lighting for dining, and large porthole pendants in brushed zinc crown the massive 10-foot quartz kitchen island west/undercabinet storage. 42-inch white cabinets offer more, as does a large pantry. Full suite of cafe appliances, gas cooktop west/hood, French door refrigerator, micro/convection and oven west/convection. Primary bedroom has car wash shower leading to enormous master closet room west/custom shelving. Extended lanai overlooks a backyard with no houses behind it and wide lake view. 15 minutes to Marco, Paradise Coast Sports Complex and Future Wolf Lodge, 20 minutes to Naples 5th Avenue, short walk to Clubhouse.